Hello, hello, hello. Welcome to my channel, The AI Times, Unlocking the Future Newsletter. Welcome to my channel. So yeah, today I've been discussing in today's AI agenda. I will be discussing with you a latest AI newsletter, five latest AI newsletter. What has been, and then I've been researching AI papers and eight latest AI tools, and last about prompt training, which is to ChatGPT prompt and Journey prompt. So heading to let's start with the first news. This ChatGPT goes multi-modal with voice and image. How exciting news is this that OpenAI going with the two models that they have been coming up with the voice as well as image. ChatGPT goes a multimodal with the voice and image. So what the report has been saying in this the open. So where well there is an article related to this and which has been over here is and that one is in a summarized one and that was the whole article on there on that. So yeah, ChatGPT can now see, hear, and speaks. We are beginning to out of new voice and images capability in ChatGPT. They offer a new, more intuitive type of interference by allowing you to have a voice conversations or show at ChatGPT what you're talking about. So how cool is this news? And they are speaking with a and a hardbacks. So yeah, it's cool news and good news for here is the one about us which has been discussing in that article. Here is one it's been a summarized one. So OpenAI just shock up the world announcing the multimodal capability for ChatGPT. The new capabilities allow the chatbot to see, understand the images, hear, understand the speech, and speaks when interacting with the users. Speaks ChatGPT leveraging multiple uses well-being to use a voice engaging in the back and forth conversation. The text-to-speech sorry for that. The text-to-speech models has a five different voice options for chats and created collaborations with professional voice and actors. Now, chat with images, Chat GPT language reasoning skills can now understand the image, photography, screenshots, and in text documentation. Users can discuss the multi-images or use the new drawing tools to guide assistants. Additional tools the new text-to-speech models is already being used in a Spotify voice translations features pilot for translating the broadcast audios. OpenAI is gradually embedding voice and images over the next 2 weeks. For Plus and enterprise users, voices will be coming to both iOS and Android. The images will be available on all platforms. While my multimodal breakthrough in a massive step forward of LLM with OpenAI beating Google's to the punch before the launch of the Gemini. Better yet, we will all finally getting the so we will all wish for this. We will get news. So they are putting we will get exciting features and ChatGPT. So yeah, that was my first one, and then I go to my second news. It is Amazon speeds up $4 billion on a AI startup Anthropic. And about report, Amazon's reportedly plans to invest as much as $4 billion for monetary stakes and generative AI startups. Anthropic as a massive move to boost its presence in the space. This details Anthropic will shift to operations to AWS and use its chips to run models, providing needed and computing power. In return, Amazon gains a key AI partner aimed to criticisms that the lagging against the reveals in generative AI. The deals could be AV's largest startup investments ever, showing its appetite for AI. So, what are your thoughts on this debate? Debate said the AVS will stake in the narrative models and AI, but backing ChatGPT compared to Anthropic applications, the notions Amazon is now the news challenges joining the AI race. Sorry for this. I have little in my voice and there's a cough in my voice, so sorry for this. So yeah, that was my second news, and where's articles related to them? This one's about ChatGPT, and here's a expanding access to safer AI with Amazon. So I've been reading this. This was a whole deals in it. I was reading one of the summarized one. So if you want to go and write and Google's an Anthropic PZ, and so you find it the whole article on the and what is the exciting news about that. So yeah, that was cool. And I go with the second news, or sorry, for third news, Meta beats on AI personalities. So what is Meta is purportedly developing dozens of AI chatbot with a unique personality to appeal to younger users in its apps, which could launch as soon as this week. Meta generative AI practitioners aim to boost user interactions with the features ranging from a whimsical beta to particular coding ads, planned boots including a CC robot named Block modeled after a bender from Futurama and a human curious alien named Alvin. The company aims to drive engagement among the younger users who have to TikTok over Facebook and Instagrams. AI personally grab attention but sustaining meaningful appeal to this to the real test and reports mentions might not exactly scream cool but with the recent success of the character.ai this might be a genuine move by the meta. So here's related to these articles about the if you want to read it whole, yes, go and over the Wall Street Journal and you will find over there and go and subscribe it and you will find a whole bunch of articles, a whole digital articles in it. I have a summarized one. So this one, a summarized one article related to the meta based on AI personalities. So yeah, that was related to this, and then I go to for my fourth one. YouTube goes all in on AI with a huge features beta. Report YouTube has finally embraced the AI by announcing multiple AI-driven features tools aimed to enhancing the creator experience during its annual Made on YouTube event. What key point in this YouTube plans to roll out AI powered tools such as AI generated backgrounds for videos and assistant to video topical suggestions and a music recommendation systems tolerate to video descriptions. The Dream Screen will allow our creators to have AI generated video and photos and created through the prompt as a background for their YouTube shorts, within essentially replaces many third party editing apps. They will have also introduced AI dubbing features, which develops the expertise from the team from Google's AI 120 incubator will facilitate the video dubbing into a multiple languages. Lastly, an AI features any YouTube studios will recommend video topics and structures based on our current trends, and they will simplify the shorts processes with a newly announced app named YouTube Create. Why should you care? This increasing the influence of AI in how your creator engage with the technology and their audience when they transitions with giants like YouTube's, Instagram's, Amazon's, and Meta leading the charge as AI advancement is clear. The rest of the world will soon follow suit. So cool is that it's well related to the YouTube ones. I was going to an all-in AI and more on YouTube is singing on part of using generative AI video platforms. Announced the several new AI power tools. Yes, I have been using this once. There's a whole bunch of articles on this. The slow of the new power YouTube products could be marked as shift in high creator plans to make and structure their content AI-driven sense and will likely shift content creator double down. AI-generated content will become a more common and response spirit conversation sympathetic material like TikTok already reduced the level to identify AI-generated material in such as YouTube. It's also making it easier for creator to make a shorts with a new YouTube Create app announces at the event. So yeah, it was cool news. And then our last AI news is related to the Neuralink. Yeah, that's green light for the human brain chip trial. So Elon Musk's brain chip startup Neuralink has officially received the FDA approval for recruiting paralysis patients for human trial for its completed brain device. So finally they got an green sheet from the and from an FDA approval to has recruit a playlist plan patients paralyzes patients for human trial for its implemented brain device. So what is the key point? The trial aims to enable patients to control a computer with their thoughts and allow a chip that interferes with the brain. The company will enroll the patients and paralyzed by spinal cord injury or ALS with under 10 people expected in the trial. Yeah, the 6 year students mark a major milestone for Neuralink, but experts say the commercial clients could still take over decades. What will this Neuralink brand implement mark a brand new world for science? But many worry about the safety of implications, adding that a mask personalization nature make the technology ripe for the skepticisms. With that being said, it's likely that a human brain implements its scale would not be just a science fiction for much longer. So yeah, that was related to the Neuralink, and here's about the article most related to start the human trial for brain improvement for paralysis patients. So here's the video of this related that Ramos has been speaking in this video and what she's been saying. So we have to listen it.
interface, or BCI, implant in a region of the brain that controls the intention to move. Neuralink says the initial goal is to enable people to control a computer cursor or keyboard using their thoughts alone. Musk has grand ambitions for this medical device company, saying it would facilitate speedy surgical insertions of its chip devices to treat conditions like obesity, autism, depression, and schizophrenia.
The first two applications we're going to aim for in humans are restoring vision, and
Cool.
I think this is like notable in that even if someone has never had vision ever, like they were born blind, we believe they can we can still restore vision. And then the other application being in the motor cortex, where we would initially enable someone who has almost no ability to operate their muscles and enable them to operate their phone faster than someone who has working hands.
In May, the company said it had received clearance from the US Food and Drug Administration for its first in-human clinical trial.
So yeah, that's
Its
cool.
previous testing in animals
FDA,
is under
USA Department
federal
of Health and
scrutiny for potential animal welfare violations.
so yeah, that was really cool news, and and they got the green sheet, yes, from the FDA. So yeah, that was really positive news from the Neuralink, and they are now testing with the paralyzed people, and from there they got. I think they they will got the what they have been doing and the impact on these, and people can walk, which has been with the paralyzed persons, and if the body part is not working, and by doing this installation of well organized installation of this Neuralink technology, so they cannot hear, can see, and they can even get walk or yes as a normal people who can. So I think that's one of the good step, and they are coming and really work hard in that, and I think that's really mind blowing news. Yeah, from the AI. So yeah, I like this news. So yeah, that was my 5 year news, and I'm going to my year research paper. So what is my year research paper first? Yeah, it's a mid agent emerging gaming interaction. So it is for the gaming interaction. There are infrastructure, floating large scale language models, multi agent collaborations across the VDC's gaming domains. It focuses assuming LLM planning and coordination ability, virtual kitchens, scenario, infraction multi agents, and complete tasks with collaboration scores and metric identification. So here's an research paper related to the yes. These are the people who have been working over there, and these are the game over there is being treated as a AI. Yeah, and yeah, it is an introduction. So so that research for each and everything, and there's details in research paper. They give the values, task force, and model how the model has been working, and this is how they've been making their possible planning skills and tools and state actions, the LLM, dispatcher, and memory history. So they draw each and everything, how the model is working, how they've been approaching these models, and here you can see this graph, how this graph has been working, low and high deficiencies over there. So yeah, that's cool. Really, really good. And my second is related to the dual tokens VIT positions aware efficient vision transformer with a dual token visions. Dual token VIT innovative visions transforms the models addressing efficiency challenges. It combines a convolutional narrowing network and self-attention based visions and transformations is efficiency process local global information position aware global tokens reach global data and introduce a position information enhancing performance and tasks like images classification object detection and segmentations. Dual token VIT outperform existing models, achieving the equivalency of 75% and 79% and image and 81K with low computational cost. It introduces a new approach to efficiency, harmless to power VIT computer and vision applications. So here's an article related to this. The people have been working over there. The efficient vision transform with the dual token. So how the model has been working over the background. The introductions of these models and there is related work on this and how the model has been performing. There's a graph, normal knowledge and there's a task how they're giving and giving really great values on this. Yeah, school research paper. If you it was my related to the research paper and I'm coming with my third sections. It is related to the trading AI tools. So heading towards my first trading AI tools, it should be ship yours as super fast. So Bowler Parade code for next says it's shipped first as super fast. Explore a Bowler palettes, view our documentations. So it's bowlercode.co and it's SEO first is a payments and user. If you like this and go and explore more it. If you got this this AI app, interesting one. So yeah, find it over there in my PDF file and try this app. So next one, Pump GPT. Yes, GPT that saves us you 60% on AVS for free. Yeah, how cool this home web features, pricing, affiliate resources. Do I have any idle E2 intensives pumps your FEP teams at 24/7 powered by AI? Go and try this and get started with the CA tools. Look great and then we have Drift Sparks, your go-to tool for sparking creativity in a content creations. That one led to the content creations, writing a prompt. You will no more dread, blank page, fear of banking, cursors. With a draft speaks lighting your way, you can begin your writing journey a little faster, unknown and less professional. Venture deep, write a bolder, light your creativity builds and your narrative mesmerize. So yeah, cool too. And then we have Lemon Strokes, build your portfolio and invest with the GPT-4. So here, build your portfolio, invest with the GPT-4. Draw market dynamics. It will let GPT analyze a company's financial data and use to help you understand the market dynamics. Go and try this. Log in this. This looks great. If you are a business marketer, then we have formed AI generate a websites in a minute from a prompt that will generate your websites in just a minute with a prompt. Go and write a prompt. What is your website? Is this? Put over there and try this. Go and log into this app to generate a free based yes website. The AMTA ask questions and chat with any file instantly using that will give you details if you have any PDF file or thesis or any PDF file. Yes, go and log in this and upload your file over there, and you any search paper that will give you whole details on it. If you want to try with this app, go and log in this and sign up this through. Then we have our second last Jira. Use AI write proven converting copy. So well, this feature of writing is finally here. Use AI to write a proven high converting copy for increase the conversations and high honestly generate top niche copy of ads, emails, websites, listening, blog stories, and more. Start for free. Go and log in this app. Photo AI create a beautiful AI photos without using camera. Looks sad, looks really awesome. Take a photo and that will be AI photo for you. Oh, this gives you a really great photo if you photo over there. Yes, this looks like creating a beautiful AI photo without using camera. Save your money and use AI to do a photo shoot from your laptops or phones. Systemly a photographer. Upload a selfies and create a photorealistic AI character. Take 100% any piece, place, or actions. Get photo pics like AI year, book, old money, and 90 Halloween. Try on clothes or hairstyles you would like to see. Okay, AI generated fashions, designs, and sketches. Go start with the take a photo now. Yes, this looks good. It was my last AI trading AI tools. Yes, and I go to my last tutorial is related to the prompt tutorial. There is ChatGPT prompt. So that is related to the performs a sentiment analysis. Specify the sentiment of a topic assessments, then the value of the positive, neutral, and negative. Generate the results in a table, including the titles in a columns and their sentiment in the second. What is the topic put over there? Here's example of this my topic. The remote work success stories how it is changing their lives. And then next one is remote work disasters when things go wrong. Yes, balancing the work and life, the benefits of the remote work. remote work, a game changer of the employee well-being, remote work technology tools for modern workplace. This is a top ones input over there that will give you more details on this. Looks good and great. Analyzing of sentiment analysis of tools. This prompt is and try this to this prompt is looks good. And what you trying to topic put over the on topic on this, and it will give you great details with all of this prompt. And what you trying to explore with this type with type of a prompt. So yeah, that was my ChatGPT prompt, and then I went with Journey prompt. So yeah, at schools prompt, these are people who's been giving a unique mid-journey art creating. Yes, this is low light and twin light, golden hours, blue hour, studio, daylight, and natural light and neon light. So here's a low light photographer. You can see this low light photographer, twin photographer. Try with your description or try with this and put over the photo you photo try to do and put in the last real light, daylight photography, studio photography, blue color photography. I think you'll find really great view of the image, great background of the image, great his lighting of the image, and it give you really great as example of the. And that's it. That's it today's in AI, my AI agenda and AI times. I hope you like all my sessions. Do let me know which sections you like me, which section you like me in my video. I hope that it was a great all three my sections or for all four my sections. And that's it. So thank you very much watching my video. Goodbye.